And we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Code Call Day 9 with Leon Anderson. How are you doing?
Hello. Pretty good, pretty good. Not much time today, but I managed to do 2 coding exercises and 2 or 3 videos, watching 2 or 3 videos. So, yeah, it's always exciting. And I'm looking forward for the next day where I have more time. But today I did conditionals, basically nesting if statements, else if and else, and playing around with the like how they have to be ordered and yeah to achieve the logic that we want. And yeah, that's basically it already. We always have to have and then afterwards we can have an else if, and if we have an else if or an else, and we can have combinations of else ifs and else, but the else's always have to be behind an else if. No, the else, if we have else ifs, then the else has to be behind the else if. If you don't have else ifs, then the else has to be behind the if. Um, and yeah, it was fun to see the, like, I came from work, put my PC on, and directly went into the coding bootcamp, and to see what I learned yesterday directly, to see it again in action, and do a little coding exercise on, or two little coding exercises on it, and to also what I liked about the exercise today, or the videos, that it already combined many of the things I learned yesterday. For example, if open brackets, then phrase, 3 equal signs, and no, phrase dot length brackets, and then I think 6 or something. It was about password length and stuff. Building a password, password conditions, basically. And there was a situation of that we don't want to how do we say it? We don't want, in this case, we didn't want to give a confirmation for every password property that was correct, but we wanted to just see if it's if it fits the first one, then it can check directly for the next one, and if the next one is also correct, then we just get a prompt of valid password, and only if those both are not met, then we check for else ifs, and else, I guess. I'm not sure if there was an else in this example as well, but and only then we check for else ifs. So then there can be a message of too long, or there shouldn't be any spaces in between. So I think this was with multiple ifs, if and if, like adding ifs. Yeah, like this must sound really weird for anybody who doesn't know what the heck we're talking about. But did that make sense?
Yeah, thank.
Awesome. Yeah, that's basically what I did today. And
Sweet. So what I loved was that you said, hey, you came home from work and you took the time to just do a little bit of code. And that's the thing that many people who are watching this can take away from it, which is just put in a little bit of time, even if it's just 10 minutes, if it's just 20 minutes, just keep that habit going, learn something new every day, and your knowledge and your learnings will compound.
Yes, I can already feel like how all the things are like combining with each other, and that's actually the beginning of infinity, of
The
compounding.
beginning of something great, yeah.
Yes.
Great. Then today is just a quick call just to check in, also to keep this habit going. And anyone who also is working 100 days of code, make sure that it's truly 100 days and not 99 days, not 98. Make sure it's 100 days. And if it's just 5 minutes, even if you just open that HTML document and you just, from your brain, dump 5 minutes of the knowledge that you've already learned into it. You don't even necessarily need to advance in the course that you're doing. Just keep that habit going. Get in contact with it every day so that your subconscious mind can process it and your conscious mind can process it. And you can just make it part of your identity that you are now someone who can talk to machines and speak the language of machines.
Yes,
Cool.
let's go.
And then we'll see you all tomorrow, hopefully, if you guys tune in. And until next time on Code Call with
Leon Anderson and my mentor,
Aleph Mill from 10x Dev. See you guys.
Bye bye.